Hello guys, welcome back to Theology. Well, today I am bringing you a room an area that I personally have been dreading cleaning. I would clean everywhere else in my house, but guys, this one door is my pot pantry. And when I open it, you'd be like, you should have cleaned that a long time ago. Well, it's not the cleaning part. I'm not the only one in my household cook, so therefore the items never be placed back like I place it. Then again, it is some things on the bottom that really need to be taken care of. I have no clue what's in this box at this point, but it needs to come out. And it's coming out today. So guys, if you are ready to see my pot pantry, close your eyes and when I count to 3, because it's just that bad. So guys, here. Welcome to Theology. Theology. Guys, here is my pot pantry. So guys, my pot pantry, I am blessed to have one, but it should not look like this. I bought the things to stack my lids on, and as you can see, I have too many pots and pans, so therefore the lids are here. All of the pieces are not here. This is old mail that needs to go through the shredder that's just sitting there. This box, I don't know. I have no clue what's in that box now. This is some of my daughter's cooking stuff. So guys, what I'm getting ready to do is take everything out of here, clean everything, and put exactly what I only need back in there. I may pack some of my pots and pans, I'm not sure, because I was blessed by my kids. I'm getting more and more of all Clyde pieces. So I do have some of the black, I do have some of the silver. I just got some more silver. So I'm supposed to be in the bed resting, but this has been on my mind. So while I'm feeling this good, I'm getting ready to get this done. So if you want to see me do this, which may be a part 2, stay tuned.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young, I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it.
Okay guys, my walls had a lot of the gray stuff and was scratched. This one I am getting ready to clean that, but all the scratch marks that was on my wall, I purchased this from Home Goods. I also do the glass cleaner. This was $2.99. Guys, this wiped every bit of those prints all out of here. I mean, absolutely so beautiful. So I have this bottom shelf I got to clean, and because I see right up in here, I should have went and got liner. I didn't think about it, so I can't line that today because I don't have liner. So guys, let me tell you the craziest thing, because this is my pot pantry and I never paid attention. I had no clue. We've been in our house almost 3 years. I had no clue it was a plug down there. So that is absolutely so crazy. But this is what it looks like now. It's absolutely so good and clean. That spray away really did a trick, but it would take your breath away. And with me being sick right now, oh my gosh, it's like I can't hardly breathe. But nevertheless, now I'm gonna go through my pots and pans of what I want to go ahead and box versus what I'm going to sit out. I know I have now so many pieces of all-clad. I'm gonna put my all-clad pieces up, but what I'm gonna do, I still have lots of Cathalon, because you know I'm a Cathalon girl. So I'm gonna put my all-clad, I think, on the top, my Cathalon on the second shelf, and then I'm gonna feed my way around that, because I got to make sure my lids are matching with my pots, to make sure all of that stuff is taken care of. That's one thing I hate doing, is looking for lids when I'm cooking. I hate it. So guys, let me go through my pots and pans. I have some new lid holders, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that, and I think I'm gonna put my all-clad on those, and then I put my rest of my glass and silver tops on the next one. Here's the door. Now I'm going to show you what the outcome is, and this is my new pantry. Guys, it is so much cleaner. Here what I did, well, let me finish this way. What I did, I put most of my all-clad, and this is all the silver. This one, the one in the back was my gift for Mother's Day, for my birthday, I'm sorry, for my kids. Those are the lids. Next, these are Cathalon. These are my black all-clad. Here are the lids. This is our griddle. This is the kid's friend. These are more Cathalon. And my overage pots that I'm no longer going to use right now, I put it here. And then this stuff is my daughter's stuff. She's bake and all kind of stuff, so therefore that is in here. So guys, this is the after. I absolutely love what this looked like. So now guess what, guys? So I do have the pieces to this. I just need to, I'm gonna box all of this stuff up. Box this, of course, you see Goodwill. I'm gonna box all of this stuff up because it's over in the other area. That is my waffle maker. We're gonna keep that out. This I'm not gonna use right now. These are serving trays, but I did make them for wall hangers. I'm not gonna use those. I don't seal bags. That's my husband on, so that's gonna go. I haven't done Easter eggs in so long. So it's a lot of stuff in here that is going to the dump. I found something. Of course, I have to put that back because it's my husband's lunch bag. But yes, this stuff will be gone in a matter of 2 seconds. This is a thing that I bought, and you could do margaritas with it and also shrimp cocktails and stuff with it. So yeah. So guys, this is my pot pantry. I'm loving it. It's clean. It is clean. I can see through everything now. So guys, where will I be cleaning next? I think I'm gonna do my kids' bathroom. It is time to redo their bathroom. Since we've been here, I think I've redone it about 4 times. So it is time to change again. So therefore, I will show y'all. I think I'm gonna do a haul because I have purchased all of the things for that bathroom. And also I'll show you what it looks like before. Then I'll show you what it's gonna look like after. And then after that, guys, I already know we are moving to my daughter's room. She has requested a Pacific color with three Pacific colors. So guys, I will be doing her bedroom. So I have some things that's coming that is up my sleeve. So guys, you know I will say, please like, comment, share, thumbs up my video, guys. And please do remember to turn on your notification bell. And if you're new here, hello, welcome to my home. I am Vandessa and my channel is Vology. And if you're returning, hey, what's up? So guys, you know I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight.